G'day cocktail lovers. St. Patrick's Day, perfect excuse for some green drinks. If you're going to make green drinks, I feel like there's a few key options. Well, you could do green food colouring if you want to cheat, but with widely available ingredients, you're probably looking at green chartreuse, green creme de menthe, and Midori. For me, a St. Patrick's Day drink, yeah, it's either green or it's Irish whiskey. I'm going to try for both. Irish whiskey is quite light coloured, so we should be able to get the green from the other ingredients to come through. This is a variation on a drink called the Greenhorn, which I'm calling an Irish Longhorn. First up, your Irish whiskey. We want 1.5 ounces or 45 mils of Irish whiskey. Then we add 1 ounce of Midori, and finally 3/4 of an ounce of Yellow Chartreuse, or you could use Green Chartreuse as well. This is a stirred cocktail, so stir it on ice for about 20-25 seconds, then strain it into a chilled coupe. And here is an elegant emerald green Irish Longhorn. The other ingredients stop the Midori from being too sweet. This is actually quite nice. Sláinte. Harry Craddock may have had some Irish in him, so for St. Patrick's Day, here's a classic Harry Craddock recipe called Everybody's Irish. We start with 1.5 ounces or 45 mils of Irish whiskey. Add to that 1/2 ounce of green chartreuse, and then to really bring up the green, we're going to put just 1/4 ounce of green creme de menthe in there. This is a stirred cocktail, so add ice to your glass, stir that for 20-25 seconds, and strain it into a chilled coupe. That tiny amount of creme de menthe really does an intense green, but let's taste it. I don't know about you, but for my taste, I wouldn't want any more creme de menthe, or it's going to start tasting like mouthwash. Kind of looks a bit like mouthwash too. Happy St. Patrick's Day. For mine, the first one is a much more elegant emerald green. This one, very green. Side-by-side taste comparison. They're both pretty good, but I much prefer the Irish Longhorn. Everybody's Irish, a bit more of a party drink. If you like your minty drinks, this one's for you. If you want more subtle flavours, definitely recommend you try this. Either way, even if you're not drinking alcohol at all, I hope you have a fine St. Patrick's Day, and I hope to see you again. Sláinte.